Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very, very special. And guys, it's all morning over here. So as you can see, guys, look the sky, man. Anyway, guys, I want to say thank you so much for clicking my video. So right now, this is where I'm calling home. This is my house actually, and I thank God for the gift of life every day. Every day I must say God thank you, because it's by God's plan to have everything here. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for those people who welcome to my channel for the first time. My God bless you. And for my new subscriber also, my God bless you. So yesterday we celebrate the party. Actually, it was being headed at my grandma. So but we are on the same compound, but different types of gates. So where I am right now, it's my dad's home, and on other side, it's my grandma home. So we celebrate the party here and there, and maybe in case you join this vlog for today, go and watch my yesterday video. It's an amazing video, guys. So ever. And anyway, guys, taking care right now. I wanna get outside, and maybe I will have like a brief tour with my dog around the village, and apart from that, I'll come and make some cleanness here, because yesterday also we have the visitor here, friend of mine visited me, and friend to my uncles, because we have 1,000 of people on yesterday's celebration of the party. So I want to make some cleanness here, so, and let's see how this goes, so maybe sometime maybe when I get the visitor and the house look very that like shagarabaga, but for now, after walking with my dog around, I'll come back. So before that, guys, let me take you outside. This is our maize right here. We cover with a polythene paper, because maybe during night time it wanna raining, and people have been sleeping, so no one who may be rushing outside, and it's night time covering this, so we decided to cover. Let me show you guys. Right here we have the maize, can you see right there, for my new subscriber. So that's my baby here. Wow, I normally park my baby here, right here. So let's go. I hope, guys, you're ready for this. You're ready for this. Hey, sister, natoka John. First thing, if you visit the toilet, you wash your hands. Say hello.
Hello.
That's my sister. All right. Take a soap there. You wash your hand. Chukua sabuni. If you visit toilet, after toilet, you wash your hand with soap. Take the soap right there. Take small basin there, you fetch water, you wash your hand. Right, that is it. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to advise my sister. First thing, when he visits the toilet or she visits the toilet, she must wash their hands, because in hands maybe have some germs here and there. So imetosha. And her name is Mata Nyaboni. Mata Nyaboni. Weka chini na mko. Wow, guys. Naona sabuni. Unaona vile iko mchafu. Wow. Guys, I really love my sister a lot, and for those people who keep supporting my sister, so nowadays she have a nice bicycle. Okay, pull down, come down, I'll take you outside. Okay, you wash your hand and then you take the soap right there. What's up? I'll take you outside. Guys, welcome. Finally, I'm outside, and maybe this year I'm planning to visit one of the beautiful city, which is Mombasa. When I get money, I'll visit there one of these days. Like a little bit to have like enough space for like 3 days for this, and then I'll come back home. Probably. So I don't want to go like to spend maybe some couple of months, because I have some project I was running through. So like I will visit there like 2 days, 3 days, and then I'll come back home, you know. So right now, guys, the reason I come here, so yesterday we have the visitor here and there, and actually it's 1,000 of people. So supposed to check the toilets, because I'm telling you, man, you see this track is small, but more expensive. Apart from that, I'll come and make some cleanness here, because I cleaned my yard previous day. So actually, let's go and see. But I hope my mama maybe make some cleanness. You know, my mama don't like the stuff look dirty. Let's go inside and see. That there's slippers here. Wow. And guys, right now it's 8:30 in the morning. So actually I'm be around here. Oh, my mama, they have already made some cleanness, guys, because that being said, yesterday we have 1,000 of people here. They normally use this toilet. So maybe to tell people, oh, just use these sandals and here, no. So we left some of our guests to use the toilet the way they are, and right now mama should have already clean, man. I love the fact that I'm a mama clean. Oh, so every day, guys, when I come here, you know what? Imagine. Wow. So I'm going to fetch water, actually. So maybe if 1 or 2 person visit this toilet, they could find water. No water here, guys. You see? So let's go and see. Maybe people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? Everyday home. I'm telling you, for me, I'm shooting this video around my home here, and that's how I flow with vibe. So that's how things goes. But every day it has its own position, you know. Let's go, guys, and see. Hey, my puppy is making noise. So after this, guys, I wanna take Bruno outside. Have the buckets here. I'll take you outside. Nowadays it's growing big, man. Whoa. Let me fetch water here. Okay. So normally this tank, it helps us a lot, and right now it's full of water. So probably we use this water around 2 months, and right now the water's full. So maybe soon, by God's grace, I never know tomorrow, guys, what could be happening. And I think to have the water tank around my toilet right there. So let me confirm on this small drum whether there is water. No water. I think there is water and then I fetch. I'll take you outside today. Don't worry. I want to walk with you around. Oh, guys. So like to use that toilet maybe without splashing water, it's somehow hectic, but for me I appreciate what I done to my family. So maybe only fetching water from one point to another, maybe somehow a little bit tough, but when it helps, maybe like when you have splash or like flashing water, you can use your toilet and then you flash. But right now, nothing. Oh man, we came from far. Imagine from a polythene paper washroom to a nice toilet, from a mabati toilet to a nice toilet. God is good. God is amazing, I'm telling you. And I'm believing God, dream and varied, I'm telling you guys. I think this one is enough, because the place where I'm going to put this water somehow slanted. Wow, this is a clean water. Look. Oh man, I need. Oh, it's enough. Let me close it here. Wow, guys. That's how I normally do. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh man. The side which I was hanging this bucket here, I have my phone and my pocket somehow like shorts. So let me put on this side here. So let's go. That's how things goes here. Please guys, as I shoot this video and you haven't subscribed, if you join on my today's vlog, please subscribe, share my videos, and comment all the way. Positive vibe win. Must put here. I remove the shoes, I change this, and then change this. Let's go inside. I put here. Guys, even on my yesterday vlog, my plumber was around here, actually on the next project. So I asked him, what if I could have maybe a tank or a borehole, and we have like a huge solar panel. Did you install the stuff of flashing water? He told me maybe you bring a mason to demolish like 2 tiles, and then we done plumbing. We do everything, even down. We remove that tiles there. But technically, I think maybe it's somehow tough. And of which this year, it depends the month and date and time. My mama dream house is coming soon, and probably I'll do inside the house some nice toilet, and actually we have the septic. Those are a good idea, and then there's no need maybe to put flushing here. This will be public toilet, because when I have a visitor at home, when I have friends, they can use, and my mom, they can use the rest of the toilet inside. So where I came from, I personally, I'm not perfect, but I make a nice toilet to my family. Imagine, guys, like yesterday we have the visitor at my grandma, and here and there people use washroom, use toilets. Imagine, without building this, like yesterday, people may be struggling, and I'll take you where we have initially bathroom. So guys, start for another day. Me, that's how I do things here, day by day. And guys, this is all my struggle. Oh, guys, there's a call. Hello.
Yo.
Yeah.
Nishafika nikaenda kwa Kena kanipea direction. Niko hapa kwa miti mingi hapa hivi.
Oh, ngoja basi nije.
Safi.
Guys, for me, I never expected this, but I put my number on my YouTube, so like people's calling me, and today this is a new number. I never expect this, so let's see. But remember, I supposed to take my Bruno around or my puppy around, so we have a nature walk. So technically, let me close it here. Guys, I never expect this. But let's see how things goes. Guys, for me, 100%, this is a new number, and I never expect this, for sure. No name, no nothing. Never expect this. So let's see. Let's see, guys, how things goes. Yavon, chani kuje. I'm telling my sister I'm coming right now. Guys, for me, I never expect this to happen. Serious. Because I was shooting my videos, somebody else calling me with a new number, and he told me he was just around here with a motorbike. Let's see. For sure, on a day like this, I never plan. So let's see. Let's see, guys. Right now I left my home. Let's see, guys. Whew. That's how day by day it goes. Let's go. That guy, he told me there are insects on these trees here. Man, I never expected this, for sure. Meja, tigara haro sere. Tigaba hobo chabari hadan tiga hitire. Oh, handa manyire. Tsakoma.
Umugeni.
Manta manyiruni. Antiga mabera kure. Tiga kumete hanta. Stop by. Even guys, at time I was telling my neighbor, let's go and see that visit. I never expect visit at home at this day. Never. Guys, imagine I left at home. Right there. Then guys, I was telling my neighbor, let's go and see that person. Udi hata mtamanyiri mula. Umonta wante mere nambe nimefika hapo.
Na manyiri kina masaidia.
And I have your direction. Guys, what I'm telling my neighbor, even me I don't know that person. He calling me the new number, and I asked him who give you direction. He told me he asked people from nearby hands. So let's see, guys. Happy New Year. That's our shade, guys. Our shadow. I mean, sorry for that. That's our shadow. That's our shadow. Ué! Os que não montam se aí? É.
Eu curei nyabo.
Todos que montam aí?
Hakuna mnasikia na tomo.
É com miti mingi.
Sono nenta rochibu. Ntanambe masti.
É. Tá todo em carne.
Pia veni mikenani kadi njai. Ani mikia idine dapo.
Ah, yeah. That's my neighbor, guys. I'm telling him to escort us. And I asked even him, did you find any person around there? He told me no. So let's see. What about the committee meeting? So they say they're right here.
Kira.
I miss him. Guys, I might ignore this person because he called me with a new number, no name. Because as long as you call me, I've already saved your name. No name, no nothing. And it's my very, very first time to receive a new number within my country. It's my country number. Let's see. Let's see. If could be a stranger, we are two of them, with my neighbor and I myself, so we know how to handle. Wow. Hey. But a man can try. Guys. Sure. There's our maize corn right there. I'm telling you right now, you're approaching harvest season right now. From now up to February, it's to harvest maize here and there. Turning credit. To go and see. Hey guys, I didn't find anyone because he told me he was on this a lot of trees around here within this road, but I didn't find, or he used another route. Let's see. Anongera against a hectare. This is how our road looks like. I think a mango. I see person from the far end. Mama, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New. Happy New Year. So they are going to fetch water in the river. Hiya. Turakuri pipi. Hiya. Jarungu. Hivi ni wewe bana? Mama tuambia kwa miti mingi hatukuoni. Oh, ndio sisi sasa. Guys, this is our vista for today.
Yeah. How are you, good?
I'm good, bro. So how was everything?
Good.
Yeah. We use our direction.
Yeah, baby, we. I have been following you. Yeah. I remember you post a video where you are in Nairobi. Yeah.
Okay.
And that the day that I want to visit you. Hope you remember.
Okay, take a control. Ama tuendeshe basi tuende nyumbani.
Kwenda home. Ni hivi.
Ni hivi sipendi nimetoka tu. Wow guys. So when we reach back home, we'll see what's going on. And I'm okay, so cute. This is his motorbike. Hey, pole. Na watu wengi wananijua. Hata niliendaga Nairobi. Wow, we take a U-turn, guys. Wow, guys. Like my videos, comment, and also share my video. Simama hapa. So this is my home. Guys, so this is my home, and how visited me for the first time, and for me, I never expected today like I could have a visit at my home, and he called me just randomly with a new number. Oh, nipe kiti. Enda huko juu. Unataka kiti ya plastic. So let me take some chairs. Kimoja. That's my brother's house here. Ni viwili viko hapo. I'm supposed to take this because it have some small bit there. Wow. Leta kimoja. Ama Nyaboni. Nyaboni. Wacha tu. So let me go to my grandma, take that chair. Yangu mereka ngambil. Hey. Hey. Come here. Hey. Say hello. Say hello. Judo. Here. So guys, let me host. Is our young brother here. And we call and we carry her noiga. Zoche. Oh, and I take him med. Oh, mrapa ndo nyumbani. Kimke bila mka. Vipi? Hiyo jini. Nimesikia ukitaja kwa video yako. Hiyo mwenye amemwita. Mnaweza kaa hapo. Yes, for now let me bring one chair. One more. Have our beautiful hand right there. Oh, you said me. Every one of our cousins here. When they saw camera, don't say hi to you. Eh? Say, hi guys. Hello guys. Hey, do you know guys? I normally do my technique in the morning. So guys, apart from that, initially we were using this. This is our bathroom for back years. This one. So guys, start from another day. So let me bring one chair and we go. Cook. Guys. Entonces nada como Today's a sweet chat talk with you guys. Oh, guys, I'm so tired. Alright guys, so let's see how my visitor maybe have something maybe special for the first time maybe, and to see how things goes, you know. You want to sleep? Guys, my sister want to sleep. Oh, friends, I've already swept the kitchen, guys. Look, it's very clean. Hey. Wow. Sister, thank you so much. Thank you for learning these things. Oh man, look. Hey. And she know how to sweep, guys. Well. In fact, I love how my mama taught us how to do some work. So anyway, guys, let's see my visit. I have a sit talk with one-on-one here and there. Keno keremukia. Haya. Tafuta sehemu nzuri, njoo tukalie huko. Kobi, usikare. Hapa sasa. Nataka hapa. Oh, hi. Okay. How was everything, bro? Once more.
Yeah, everything is good. Okay, I thank God. Yeah.
So how did you know my place? Maybe for the first time.
Your place. I've been following you for a while. I like your videos anyway. Yeah. So I decided to kutafuta you.
So when did you follow me? Maybe it's this month or 2024 in December.
No, it was last year. August there. Yeah.
Wow. So you like my videos?
Yeah, so much.
How I was filming here and there.
Yeah.
Actually, it's good to learn from somebody, from anybody, like I personally here. And also me, I learn from people how to film a video.
Yeah. You have been inspiring me a lot, by the way.
As a young YouTuber like
As a young YouTuber, like age mate, I think.
Oh guys, we are age mate, and it's good maybe to help each other. And the way he said he followed me maybe last year, maybe I don't know the month and exactly the time, but he was a good fan of mine, and I'm really inspired him. So maybe he can tell us more and more.
Yeah. Yeah, I decided to come this place so that you can teach me how you do actually.
My video.
Yeah, your video. How you do it, what the circumstances, yeah. Such.
So did you make any video?
Yeah, actually not yet, but I'm planning.
You're planning. You know how to hold your phone?
Yeah, actually holding a phone.
And shoot a video.
Shoot it. That's simple.
So for me, if you know how to hold a phone, nothing change, you know. So like you know how to shoot a video, and maybe I'll show you how to upload. Or you know how to upload a video?
Uploading. Yeah, uploading. I think I know.
You know how to upload?
Yeah.
So you know how to shoot a video, you know how to upload.
Yeah.
Two things.
Yes.
And then maybe for me, I can give you maybe a good advice.
Yeah.
You shoot video one place, you might get to another place, because you keep maybe showing your audience new things. Like for example, I'm shooting this video here. I can't maybe end my video here. There's maybe a part of the video I would join on this vlog. So you see how I'm maybe shooting video. I'm home, I'm in Border Town, buying stuff. I'm back home, gifting my mom, and then the rest of the day I'll join to get.
Oh, I'm good.
For example, you came from your home.
Yeah.
And your home is Mabera.
Yeah.
So you shoot from your home. You show people how you like your adventure, traveling like with your motorbike. You reach Nyabuhansi, you tell people this is Nyabuhansi. And then you drive a little bit. And then when you come back to my home here, and I think it's your first time, you shoot video here. Already you have around 4 videos at the same time. And then you combine together. People will follow you, you are from home. And maybe you are on today's vlog, it starts maybe you are going to visit Hello Baby. And okay, you say, oh, I'm going to visit Hello Baby. So this is my home. People follow you from your home, your journey up to Nyabuhanse, from Nyabuhanse up to my home. And then maybe you end my video here. So maybe you try maybe to give your audience new thing, new places.
Yeah.
So for example, if I'm shooting this video around here, sitting with you, it's somehow boring audience.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I'm trying to get you.
According to this video, guys, it's not like storytelling maybe at one place. What next thing?
Wow. That's a good advice actually. That's why I came this side. Yeah. Another thing is I want you to teach me. Yeah, I'd like to teach me many things actually. Yeah, because I wanna be like you.
Okay, you wanna be like me, bro? So for me, as long as maybe I show you how maybe you know how to upload the videos. So every day you shoot videos. Don't look for the views. Okay, Hello Baby gets 500 views, get 1,000 views. Why not me?
Yeah.
Me get less than Hello Baby. Even me will go to my old videos. Maybe on my first videos, I made a video with Coco guy, and that video went viral. So the rest of the video, I get 100 views, 200 views, 300. So I keep making videos, more videos as I can, and I never lose hope. So I said one day it will pay off. And then as I make videos,
that video Coco with Mzungu.
yes, with Mzungu. When we say Mzungu, maybe most of the African knows Mzungu is the white people from abroad.
Yeah, I remember that video anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's my first video on my YouTube channel. And then the rest of the video, I get 100 views. I said, oh, I started good and now I'm losing hope. But I said, let me make videos as I can. And then, apart from Coco Guy, I have been inspired by David Jr. So, yeah, making video with him, and then he told me, don't mind with the views. You make videos, the more you make videos, the more success is coming. And guys, to be honest, when I could be the guy who may be losing hope, focus maybe back, I will never maybe the way I am today. So every day making a videos. And it's good to make a videos with your family. And maybe your fan can know where you're coming from.
Yeah.
Yes. Like for me, if I hide my home, nobody can know where I came from. Nobody could know my mom. Nobody could know my family. But I decided, you know what, let me make my videos around my home. And actually, all my videos, maybe I support my family, surprising my family here and there. So it's my family make me to be working so hard, at least to put something on table at the end of the day. Okay, what next thing, bro?
Yeah, another thing, yeah. Before it was last night. Last night.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday.
The video which I was in Nairobi or when I'm in my home here?
Yeah, I think that fast.
That fast?
You are to Nairobi or?
No.
Sorry.
Excuse me, guys. Okay, he was receiving a call, so maybe there's some a part of private issues. So maybe you had the information here and there. And imagine, as a young YouTuber like me, Hello Baby here, I inspired a good friend of mine like that one there, and he came from far. And he wants to know maybe how I'm filming my videos, how I do my videos. And for me, no more hide. Actually, I will tell him what's going on. So I have already finished, guys. Say that first. Let me think. I think that first I was around at my home here.
That fast. To Nairobi, I think.
Maybe Nairobi on the 30 to 29 to 30.
Yeah, that's when now I decide and let me try to create my YouTube channel. Yeah.
Or you see my video when I'm traveling from home to Nairobi.
Yeah.
My first video.
No. That's not
My second video.
not even second. That was
Our third video. Maybe, let me say my first video was maybe, if I remember, dream come true. I traveled to the city. My second video, I think it was life in Nairobi as a village boy. My third video, if I'm not wrong, I said maybe I had to leave. I think things like that. And my, yeah. So maybe you were watching my third video when I was leaving Nairobi to my village.
yeah. That's when now I decide to create
Your own YouTube.
my own YouTube. So actually, right now I have it, but I don't know whether it's good. I don't know
Okay.
whether I'm right.
You don't know whether YouTube is good.
No, not YouTube. How I created it. So actually, I decided to do it myself.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Yeah, it's Mr. Afric.
Mr. Africa.
Yeah, Mr. Afric.
Africa or Africa?
Afric. AFRIK.
Okay. That's a nice name.
Yeah.
And then you can make it.
Yeah.
You can shoot your first videos, and then when you see that video has lowest view, don't give up. You're not your home there. Did you have a car?
Yeah, actually.
Do you have any
Yeah.
a large compound?
Yeah.
So to encourage you, you can do as a morning routine, taking a cow outside. The way you see I'm working here, nothing changed. Nothing different maybe at my home and your home.
Yeah.
You can sweep, making a video. You can cook, making a video. I know maybe according to our culture, most of the people believe cooking it meant for the lady. No. You can go and watch my video. You will see how I'm prepare food for my family. And then I make a video. Hiya. You can wash your clothes, making a video. You can go to the river fetching water, making a video. Anything that you made, any work, it's videos. You can maybe go on to the farm cutting napier grass, it's a video.
Yeah. Now I'm getting you. That's good. Thank you.
Anything.
Yeah.
Anything. Imagine from driving to your home up to my home, there's a video. You can do like, if you are maybe new on a YouTube channel, make less than 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So in able, you can attract more audience. Don't make long videos. Say, okay, Hello Baby is making 30 minutes, 1 hour, let me make like Hello Baby.
Yeah.
So for the new YouTuber, you make less minutes, 5 minutes to 6. The higher number will be 6. So 5 minutes to 6, people can sit and watch your video. But when you make longer video and you are new on this game, sometimes maybe you'll see, you lose up. So you make short videos, like short minutes. By the time goes, you get more audience. Like the way I do it. On my first video, I think it says around 15 minutes, because I had that intention I make with Muzungu. Big shout out to Coco Guard, guys. Coco Guard at 3. Go and check. I think on my yesterday video, one of my fans tagged the link on my videos, so people can, on the comment section, people can click there and watch. So you make less minutes as you go, and at the same time you make a short videos. Short video, it can give you adding new subscriber views.
Yeah.
Do you know how to shoot a short video?
Yeah.
Yes, like dancing, and then it went viral. We have like 20k views, and it give you like 300 subscribers. Imagine one short video, and the rest of the video it can give you 2 subscribers, 10, 20. You never know. Even me at that time, I shoot a video, and then it give me 20 subscribers, 5. I appreciate. In Swahili they said kidogo kidogo jaza kibaba, small small. It's feel what? I don't know, guys. But I use a Swahili word.
Yeah.
Like small small feel an empty space. Me, I don't know, guys. But okay, what next thing?
Yeah. So, what if you are I got you and I start from my home, coming to this place. Now, what if I start from this place? You I messed. What if now I decide to?
Okay, like today
Yeah.
we haven't planned, but I give you a tip. Maybe next time when you come, and then you make a call. You start a video from your home to Nyabohansa, from Nyabohansa to my home. You know? So, like today we done a random video. And maybe outside there, maybe people, they want to know your YouTube channel and go to subscribe, and you haven't make a video. So you can go at least make one video for maybe 4 minutes, and you write a good title. Like for example, me, nowadays I fear to host most of the people. You assist people and then people go and turn to make a negative videos, you know? So you, according to a video that you made, like it's your morning routine, making cleanness, taking cow to the farm and everything. You write, this is my morning routine, my typical morning routine. People will understand you, what did you meaning on that video, and they go and click that video watching. But if you make a video, it's a morning routine, and then you say, okay, imagine soccer to my home. You know, those are negative videos,
Yeah.
of which even me I was being encouraged. Don't do that. Because although I know if you do negative videos, it will give you more views. But at the end of the day, you will not have many friends.
Yeah.
Yes. Even for me, apart from my videos, you see, maybe I make with David Jr. and maybe the rest, I'm supposed to know whom am I going to do with the video, you know. So you go and make your video at your home, and then I see how you progress. If I see you make a good video, good title, I'll help you for free. And I'll show you more and more. And maybe nothing change on this game. The more you make videos, the more you gain subscriber, the more you get watching how. Even me, remember guys, to be honest, I struggled 9 good months, less than a year, to monetize my channel, to get subscriber. And then maybe watching now is a hectic. If you reach 50 subscribers, you can go live every Sunday.
Yeah.
The more you go live, you get 20 people on your live stream. There's 20 watching now, and that live stream will be resumed to be watched, and then adding you more watching now. Hey guys, how bad's here? Oh, don't worry, I'll book your ticket and you go to abroad. It's making noise. Oh, okay. What next thing? You know, it's good to have birds around my compound because it creates good vibes. You heard? Okay, what next thing?
Yeah. The next, I would like to thank you, baby. Thank you for that advice. Yeah, I will act on it.
You can ask me anything.
Anything for now. Yeah, I'm happy to meet you.
Thank you, bro. Nice. Okay, nice too.
Yeah.
And that is my neighbor over there, and his home is right there. Where you take a U-turn. At the back, there's my brother. Say hello. Hello. So he was coming from the farm. Maybe I'll show you a little bit. So because you have already said I inspired you. Okay, sun, and then we have a nature. Okay, guys. Maybe in the morning I was been here shooting a video, and I have a young upcoming YouTuber. He was a good fan of mine, and he was following me since last year. So okay, so the more you make videos, one day you'll be successful, and you can maybe construct things like this at your home. or else maybe if you have, you can make other things. This thing that you see here, it's all about YouTube. Me, I'm telling you, it's all about YouTube. These things that you see here, okay. I'm telling you, nothing changed, and like I'm not employed in government. All stuff that you see here, it's all about YouTube. If you are watching my videos, you see I was struggling.
Yeah. I remember I saw there is a video that you took from a particular place, but I don't know that house. You were searching for these big guys.
These styles.
Yeah. Hope now you remember. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And I think you posted when it's not finished.
Yes, may I post? You see, even right now my brother is visiting the toilet. It's very clean. You see, it's working with that, full of joy. Okay. Meow. I really engaging you. Do more videos. Yeah. I'm telling you. So it's in that direction. I'm telling you. A lot of things that I do here, it's all about YouTube. And one day you'll be more success. So I'm telling my brother to take shares because right now I can no more business. Okay, come along with me. Well guys, maybe let me show my brother what I'm doing, and then apart from that I'll take my dog around. Okay, this is the tank. If you're watching the videos, maybe you can prove people outside there. Stop it. So this is the tank. We install everything. What's up? So this is everything that you see maybe on your TV, on your phone. And this is my house where every day I normally shoot my video. Actually, this one. Maybe you say, okay, hello baby, you see? Nothing changed. This is my house here. Maybe people will say, okay, hello, maybe you're doing a clickbait. Guys, you have one of our fun like proving you. Right things. That's my bike right there.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Oh. So guys,
There's a name that you call that dog.
Bruno.
Bruno, yeah, Bruno.
That's Bruno. And that's my grandma home. We're watching my videos every day.
Yeah.
That's my grandma home. Actually, yesterday the party was in LA. And if you're watching my video, there's our small project over here, of which we tried to make some improvement on it. Here. Actually, yesterday we have the mason here. The first mason makes some errors, so we tried to adjust our toilet here for our grandma. This one here. You prove people. Anything that you see on your TV today, maybe you see live.
Yeah, very true.
At the same time, that's my mom's stones for the dream house. You see, all things that you see here, it's about YouTube. Me, I'm telling you, I'm not employed in in government job. Like this hustling, all about YouTube. And maybe anytime, maybe this year or next year, 2026, you'll see the house. Okay guys, I'm showing you my visitors because he was inspired with my videos, and I tell him all stuff that he see here, it's all about YouTube. Oh guys, yesterday the kids were playing with my stones. Oh, Hey, hey. Guys, it's good maybe to have kids around playing. Okay, what's the next thing?
Yeah.
As I told you, all things that you see here, it's about you too.
Guys, I'm happy to meet my mentor. Hello baby, guys. Yeah, actually he's a good YouTube and he's a good advisor. Yeah, I'm happy to meet him. Yeah, guys.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the best. If you make your first video on YouTube,
Yes.
it went viral.
Thank you.
And then make videos you can.
Thank you.
I wish you nothing but a success.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Wow, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm going to take my pep outside because I want to take around so he can have like brief tour, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, guys, so it's time to escort my friend here. And then I'll be back home. I need to take my puppy outside. For those people who don't know my puppy, I want to take my Bruno today around to have a nature with my puppy. Woo. Then I do motongo take over first. Meja bana hogantor. That's on motorbike. Yeah. To andi di sab. Katana good. So he was taking a bike there, and it's good according to our culture. It's good to escort your visitor, like some few walking distance, and then you say goodbye. So I'm waiting here. Isa mungaro mutera kuri gaga. Mutera kuri tema. Mo kwate bera bara mukirumba gatako. Okay, guys, I'm waiting him. Wow. So less than minutes, we say goodbye to my friend. Maybe for now we make friends. Maybe through YouTube, guys, make friends. Look even on today's videos. Look at night. Let's go, guys. Let's escort our friends, guys. Guys, subscribe to my channel, give a video a like. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys. You really supporting me, guys. Nothing can say but wishing you success, guys. But you put more effort to me, you put more effort to my family. My God bless you, guys. Take it out. don't know. Okay, guys. I'm Santi, man.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, bye, bro. Next time. Okay. Okay. We say goodbye to him, guys. So it's time to go back home. So that's according to our culture. We escort your, like, you escort your friends. Maybe if you have a visitor visiting you for the first time, and like making stories, and he came at my home for the first time, and for me I received his call with a new number. And you heard, guys, he was a fan of mine, the way you watch my videos outside there. So he get inspired, like, what's up, like a young YouTuber like him maybe can make it, why not me? So he came for the consultation, and I think, guys, I give the best way. And for me, nothing to give him, but I wish him success on this journey. So YouTube is a game changer, and all in well. So guys, we're heading home with my neighbor. So sometimes, guys, like, to host somebody who don't know for the first time, maybe, guys, sorry for this, I want to say sorry, guys, for saying this. Maybe he's a stranger and you need to go like 2 or 3 people. Maybe you don't know what the intention he have for you, but for me, all in well. Me, I was making friends with everybody. Like, when my number is on my YouTube channel, people calling me several times. But even when I went to Nairobi, when I leaving to Nairobi, people, I had some call. People say, okay, bro, you are in Nairobi. I'm a good fan of you. Want to make videos, but you know. So that is it, and let's go back home. Hey, guys, too bored. Say hello to my neighbor. Bye. And home is right there, guys. So, guys, I'm back home, and I'm going to check the guy who make for me bricks. Maybe today they will start. And over here, Mama is coming from the farm. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, do you?
Guys, that's my mama. So, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
Hey.
I'm going to check the guy who make for me bricks. For your bricks, actually. It's not my bricks. For my mom's dream house bricks. And for me, I'm thinking maybe this January, maybe to buy some blocks to avoid maybe expenses. You know, bricks you need to transfer from there up to here, buying firewood, burning people, paying people for the labor man. So we'll see. For now, me no option. Let the guy to make 5,000 plus bricks, and then I'm planning to have the blocks, because the blocks, it can keep pushing your house. Within 1 week you finish everything. So right now I'm going to check. Naenda kumwangalia. Vile anafanya. Yes, I'm telling my mom I'm going to check the guy who make for my mom's bricks. And right now, man, it's so hectic. I'm trying to see the next option to have maybe if I could have let me say $1,000. I want to buy bricks. No, blocks. I think. Okay, let's go and see. Aye. Hey, that's how it goes. So probably, guys, keep supporting me by watching my videos. I'll make just my dreams. So right now, I'm going to check that guy. Serious. Let's go and check him. I will see, guys. I will see how I do these things. Maybe it's our plan. He can make that bricks, I pay them money, because that bricks at the same time I'll join partition on their house. Like constructing the perimeter wall at the back. So that's how things is here. So let's go and see. Guys, welcome to my beautiful village here, and this is where I'm showing you actually amazing view how things goes. You know, probably I personally love my village a lot. Wow. So let's go, guys, see what's going on, man. I'm keep pushing myself, working so hard here and there, you know. But for me, I'm so blessed. Every when I wake up in the morning, there's some activity going to my home, guys. You know. Wow. So that's how it go. So right now, I'm not 100% sure whether I could find that guy who make for my mom's bricks, but I wanna see maybe if I capture him in a good time. I'll show you guys how he make bricks. Let's see, guys. Wow. Let's see how this day ends. And guys, remember, I'm supposed to take my dog outside for a short couple of minutes, and then I will end my video like that way with a lot of happiness. And I see this January, it's going good, nothing changed, but more wishes to my family, more wishes to you guys. Over there, that's the maize corn right there, and I'm keep going down, and then I go this way to my neighbor. Imagine. Wow. So the reason why being he make for me some bricks. At home we didn't have enough water, so whereas we have the land, we have everything, we don't have water. So I'm decide my neighbor to make for me bricks, and then the end of the day I'll complete my mission, paying the money. Let's see. If maybe our deal we end, I would decide to buy some blocks, because I'm supposed to burn that bricks the end of this month. We have a green color right there. Every family that you go, you find green color, you find avocado, man, you find maybe sometimes sugar cane. Probably I didn't found, no idea. And for me, I want to close this chapter, guys. To be honest, I want to say I'm not perfect enough, but this month I'm closing this chapter of making bricks. I want to buy blocks 100%, because somehow I can minimize the budget of cement here and there. Wow. So let me show you guys. I want to have 700 blocks this month. When I'm saying blocks, I mean this one, guys. It keep pushing your house so fast. See this one? And 700, it could be all this one done here, up this way. Imagine this way. Like, I want to have this one, guys. Let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to keep pushing myself. I want to have these blocks, this one here, all the way from Nairobi. And actually, I think on 23rd, by God's grace, I'll go and buy the blocks, because somehow to minimize the cement, because when I was building that using these bricks, I can use 100 bags of cement. If I could have like 50 bags, I could finish building my mom's dream house from foundation up to the rental. So I think this one, it's okay. This one. So it could be used as a partition of the rooms. Yeah, I think so. Anyway, but let's see how the day ended. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. But before that, this is where they make bricks here, and I think he was not around here, and he haven't make it. Maybe next time, guys. So guys, thank you so much. I'm going to take my dog around. Oh guys, so right now I want to take my dog around, and over here we've done the process of like grinding maize by using that machine right there. Hey, my brother. Ada bodoga achike hobega besita. Ado sita ko se saba. Anagare hobe. So wow guys, saba. Anagare homenga abe saba. This is saba. Your first harvest season. So you grind, you dry, and then you keep it in store. As you wait, the price goes up by using this machine here, guys. Cure. Oh my abasani. You wear like 50 cents. It's Torque.
Hello guys.
Hey, that shows this machine. You have the engine here. It's crazy.
Guys, this is where we are putting this lock.
I thought Maria said it.
Turning like this.
Okay, turn.
Once we are tile this, like this.
That is possible to say,
This is a joke. This is a joke.
Choke.
Choke. Once it is on, this is a speed, like accelerator. You do like this to
Okay, you turn this way.
for speed.
Okay. So right now, put on, guys. Let's see. In the morning, I'm showing you. Right now, they have already. I hope guys you see. In the morning I was showing you the maize come right here, but because of the noise I keep. Oh, let's go outside today. You have a nature walk. Come this way. Let's go outside. Hey, you pull up. Hey. Wow. So let's go. I heard so many people say, okay, just take your dog around. And I'm trying to look the bell. Sick. Because they see right there some cows. Let's go. Come this way. Hey, let's go. Guys, I'm outside with my dog right now. I love my puppy, guys. So right now, let's walk with my puppy. Wow. What did you say, Bruno? Right, they see right there some cows over there. Let's go around. Stop it, Bruno. You don't like people? go. Guys, anyway, right now, let me walk with my dog. Like, people say, hello baby, just release your dog. I'm telling you, very early in the morning, I release my dog. And right now, these are chain, guys. And I'm trying to look the belts, the bigger, like, I'll ask in aggravate. One day when I get mine. Because the chain somehow the chain in the neck here somehow makes some lines. Pull up. Okay, let's go. Rudin nyumbani. I wanna walk with my dog. Going that way, guys, and then back home. Come on. Wow. Hey. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really love my dog, and because of protection, hey. Let's go, Bruno. Alright, guys, comment on the comment section. So today I decided to walk with my dog. Let's go. Be in front as you go. Let's go. You don't know these things, Bruno. I'm telling you guys, it's a nice dog. I love it, man. Wow. We're heading this way. Hey, you see some cows right there. So they want to make noise. You wait. What did you see? The cow right there? Let's go. Let's go, Bruno. Come on. Wow. I think like when I get another dog, I'll add addition. I want to have like 2-3 dogs for the security purpose, you know. Let's see what's up, man. Good job. Bonnie, we are more with what's your maize? Yeah. Yeah, acha niwaendeshe huyu. Akaingia. One day, guys, I will train my dog. One day. Wow. Heading this way and come back. Wow. And guys, I really appreciate for my brother, big congratulations, because for the first harvest commodities from the farm, and he really tried the best. You know, that's the kind of way you can make profits. So they can dry that maize like 1 week and then keep it on the store. After that, they will wait for the prices goes high. When the price go up, you make profit. When the price goes down, you make the loss. So let's go, Bruno. You see that one here, have the house. Wow. Actually, it's they are my neighbor over here. So guys, for now maybe I change. I use bricks for the partition of the rooms, and outside, like this house going around, I will use block. So guys, be ready on 24th, maybe 25th there on January, this January. I'm going to buy some blocks. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. Maybe the house for my mama will be hidden roof, or will be a house shape like that one right there that you see. Bruno. Okay, here we have kales or sukuma wiki. If you remember, oh guys, just a minute. If you remember, there is a time I found manyanya, like one of my neighbor, the nickname known as manyanya. So he was planting here. If you are watching my video keenly, you will see there is a day I made a video and he was like planting in a small section. But right now, the kale is so big. Let me show you. Look, this sukuma wiki here. And it's go up to that way. It's a nice and a small farm, well organized. Let's go. Today we decide to have a nature walk with you. Or should I take a U-turn? Okay. Guys, let's go this way. Probably I want to take like 20 minutes taking my dog around. So there is the main road there. Let's go down. Oh, we are tired. Because most of the people ask me, hello baby, what's up? Release your dog at least 30 minutes. And then for me, I take your comments seriously, but for me, I love my dog. You know, I will tie it sometime in a chain, and probably that being said yesterday, if I release my dog to walk around every day, one day my neighbor will kill my dog because they will poison the dog. If your dogs like have a well-trained security and all stuff, you know. So anyway guys, thank you so much. We shall meet maybe when I'm heading this way. Probably there is a main road here. So I want to reach there and to end my video. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh. It's good, my dog, to refresh the mind. Don't be like dormant all the day. Come on. Wow guys. This is the main Muram road here. Come on. Guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. But I'm keep going this way, and over here we have the local shop near our home. Actually guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming from here guys. Guys, before I take my dog outside, I wanna give my dog some bones here. Enjoy. Enjoy. They're enjoying bones. So actually yesterday we have the party here, and right now they're washing utensil, I think so. I want to turn this. Pogoro. Your azime takune. Guys, they're washing utensils for yesterday party. Musinda yesterday utensil here. Ni viaru. Guys, let me show you the soup for the head. Daddy. Wow. This is the soup inside here. Head soup, guys. So today it's our final day. Actually yesterday they slaughtered a goat, and we're remaining with legs or foots, and also the head. Wow, somebody calling me. Hello. Hello.
Vipi?
Poa.
Unapatikana wapi?
Nyumbani.
Uko busy? Unaweza kuja twende boda.
Aya, ngoja niamke.
Uko na mafuta kwa pikipiki?
Yatanifikisha hapo.
Nitakuwekea 200. Nitakuwekea share.
Aya. That's my uncle. That's David Jr. calling me, guys. So yesterday, we prepared the soup here, and also today we have a small soup for the head of goats, and it's purely organic. Right now here, so inside here we boil until turn to white. Wow. Oh no. Guys, we have the guy who cooking soup here or preparing soup, guys. I mean, right here. Guys, today is not our celebration, but tukuma uwe. Taingeria. Para kitambo cha mpaka kubuka mama pere. Now guys, I'm telling him to add water inside there. Wow. Hey, yesterday we celebrate. Woo! The food was so yummy. People enjoy dancing. I hope if maybe you're coming across to my channel for the first time, go and watch my recent video or my yesterday video. You will see, guys. It's a banger video. It's so. And guys, let me know maybe in your country there, did you have such kind of this spot? They're riding what?
Yenge.
Unimtamanya. Tengere ko kimukotoka chiheko kama mapere. Sungutuno chiro korote. Tema moto kundi. Oh guys, so they want to add one more jug. No entienda hata kunera main. We have firewood, we have 3 stones, 1, 2, and this back have another 1, 3. So that guy is adding water. I'm telling him you add water as much as possible. So probably maybe this will look like thick or thinner. Wow.
Guarda come ricciai. No go. Dande hai gone vatto era na come. Kana. Ne rombe tigo che metto. No come vi havu ku.
Wow, so they are doing firewood. So kibokoro kera ba mare.
Nigatute vinye vuntore che chico.
Bada go he. Ora magora karibia ko.
Era todo tre guri kiri. Ni more kare mute betasi.
So what he tried to tell me is like when the soup continue like boiling, you go and cook brown nugari. Guys, right now I'm heading to pick David Jr. and then we went to somewhere else. Let's go. Wow. Guys, go and check him. I really appreciate. So it's good to share subscriber here and there, and actually at the same time he was my mentor. Let's go. Why not me? Let's go. Oh, stones everywhere. I'm telling you, people engage in terms of building and construction, you know. Wow guys, the beautiful view here. Actually I'm heading to Congrad Dad's home. Wow, it's a quiet morning. baby. Wow. Positive vibe all the way. Look, what a building. I'm telling you. And right here I have my baby. I wanna say thank you so much, Monka. My God bless you, bro. We made it possible right now. I have my own bike. And at the same time, guys, if you are from my side, go and check Aisha Wine and Twin Sister. I really appreciate for the love and support. Wow. The family of Twin Sister, they're real friend of mine, supporting me here and there. Actual guys, go and check them. Twin Sister Aisha Wine. Twin Sister, guys, Aisha Wine. Aisha Wine. But let's go, guys. We have cow there. And for me, guys, I give that family special shout out. If maybe you don't get it to them on its own page or on this YouTube page, Aisha Wine and Twin Sister TV. So let's go. Probably I'm here. Just around here. See how people building, man. I'm telling you, look. Oh, guys, I'm supposed to park my baby right there. Please, guys, I was in my motorbike and I want to say, guys, go and check Aisha Wine and Twin Sister TV. I give them a special shout out, guys. Shout out. Shout out. You're good. Hello, happy new year. All right. Okay. Wow. Oh, guys. Hey, what's up? You miss me? All right. Oh, go, Simba. Oh, guys. Go. Okay. That is it. This dog is really. Go there. You make friends. Wow. Happy New Year to you, dog. Happy New Year. Oh, guys. Anyway, guys, today I feel like, and my bro knows, look at this age of this dog here. This one here, imagine. Less than 2 months. My dog look like this way. It's really growing big, Bruno. Wow. Amazing chilling points. Wow. So, guys, on today's vlog, I wanna say thank you so much by keep subscribing, comment, and also share my videos. And let me know on the comment section, guys, what do you think about on today's vlog. But today, guys, hopefully I'm shooting this video on date 4 January 2025, and in the morning I did like this. I didn't expect visit at my home. Probably he calling me with a new number, and how am I going to do? I received the call, and you'll see on that part of the videos So he asked me some question, and he told me like I inspired him maybe even for him to start a YouTube channel, which is a good thing. But most of the people maybe like you help them, and then at the end of the day engage in drama and then put you on hot seat. So I'm trying to avoid those kind of things, but when God say yes, nobody can say no. So I will try my own best, like to show him how to film the videos. I show him how to upload, to do this and that, like that. So they ended. So guys, I'm waiting David Jr. from right there as we keep going, and then he will say hello, and then we'll see what's next. What's next? So guys, right here.
What's up, guys? My name is David Jr. We are home, and we are about to leave home right now. We are on a mission today. So thank you so much for supporting Yellow Baby. How is your YouTube channel so far?
My YouTube channel is good, and I'm keep making videos day by day.
The progress?
Hey, good.
Oh, I love it.
Yes.
Alright, guys, keep supporting him. Hit that like button. More amazing videos are coming from his side. And yeah, let's see how 2025 will turn out.
Okay, guys.
Right?